Welcome to another video. Today we continue on weldments and how to bring total length to OpenBOM. So in this case, we are focusing on this option over here, bring weldment total length to total length property. So we are basically bringing this value from weldments. So if you look into the weldments cut list in SOLIDWORKS, there's a total length property, which in this example is 4692. And we're going to bring this to OpenBOM. So when you generate or update the bill of material, notice that that value is going to be updated. So that's going to be brought to OpenBOM. So let's see that result. So let's refresh this. And we have now a total length property in for each Weldment profile. Okay. So if you want to control the length as property, so notice that we are using the SOLIDWORKS default options. So if you look into each profile, notice that the default setting in SOLIDWORKS, the BOM quantity is length. If you switch this to none, we're going to be putting the quality as each. So that will bring, the number of each element to the bill material, and you can use the total length to calculate the total length. So if you do that and now update bill material again, now the values of quantity will be each. So let's do that again. So this will update. So notice now the values there are, the count of each profile there, and you have the total length for each profile calculated. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.